Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for this unboxing of the PrintPression May Fauxdori box. So I'm just going to go straight into it and open it. This is a little late just because it was being held in customs for who knows how long. But here are a couple of cards from Kane. Kane Anderson is absolutely fantastic. He is the brains behind PrintPression. So just remove the box out of the way. Oh my God. Get these papers out of the way too. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm just going to go through all the things that are included in the box. First off being, oh my goodness. It's beautiful. So with every Fauxdori box, you get a traveler's notebook. And I think the sizes that Kane is offering right now are the B6 or the A6, I think it is. But I'm just going to check and just want to check really quickly how this fits in my mini happy planner. Hold on. So I'm just going to see. And you know what? It's not going to fit, but that's okay. I'm actually going to probably cut off part of it, but it is big enough that it will hold the mini happy planner in it beautifully. And this is the color Bumble with the, I guess, the seafoam elastics. And then these are the new pockets that Kane is offering. Very similar to what Foxy Fix has, but these are the crossover pockets. So you have the back pocket there and then the front pocket there. And there's 4 elastics in here, and it does not come with a reinforced spine, which is fine with me. I love this. And it's faux leather actually. So for anybody out there who's concerned by real leather, this is a faux leather and it's just beautiful. It's soft, it's pliable. I'm absolutely in love with it. And you also get another little band here just in case you want to change out the elastic. And it comes in this beautiful little sack here just to make sure that it is protected. So that is the first thing that comes in the Fauxdori box. Next is this beautiful, all the beautiful papers that go with the kit. And Kane spends a lot of time going over what colors will all go together, what in the kit will work together, and making sure that the colors of the TN match the kit overall. So I'll just take you through each piece one by one. The first thing here is this beautiful bow on this wide paper clip. It has, I feel like the glue has come off a little bit, but that's easy enough to fix with some hot glue. And it's just a beautiful shade of that sea mist blue with the gold wide paper clip. I love that. Next are some tabs that come in the designs of the papers that you get in this kit. And then you also get a few of these clear labels as well. These are gorgeous. Can you guys see that properly? Oh, I love those. I love the gold and the flecks of the yellow, like the blue and the gold and the pink, and all beautiful. So you get 5 tabs along with all of these clear labels. And I love that this kit comes with so many options of different labels for you. So there are those. Next is the sticker kit, which comes with it. Now, if you didn't want the TN to go with it, you can actually just order the kit itself without the TN. But I mean, why wouldn't you order the TN? Because it's just so beautiful. Got the paper clips up. So the first thing that you get actually in that little kit here is the wide pink paper clip. I love that. I love the wide paper clips. Big fan. And then the sticker kit comes with the 4 full boxes and a couple of quarter boxes there. Another few full boxes there, a checklist, scalloped ones as well. Oh, I love that one. Love that one because I will definitely use that because coffee dates for me are huge. And more scallop half boxes. Oh, the sticker kit is just adorable. Huh, FML. I don't feel like I'm cool enough to say FML. And then some headers and checklists as well. I love the sticker kit. Kane, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then the marble kit that it comes with. So that's the sticker kit. Next is this beautiful adhesive pocket that says "Find me under the palms," and it is really pretty. And it's a smaller size, so I feel like I could fit a little bit more. And I will definitely try and put this in the B6 cover as well. So let's see if it will fit in there really quickly. So on the side, It probably won't, but it'll probably fit on the on one of the dashboards that I create. So that is the Adhesive Pocket. Next, you get this insert that Kane has printed, and these are inserts from Annie Plan Printables. Now, PrintPression, or Kane, is actually one of the authorized printers for Annie Plan's Printables. So if you don't want to or can't print the inserts on your own, definitely go and see Kane, and he can help you with that. So these are the inserts that were provided, and it's the week on one page, and you've got a whole bunch of checklists and habit trackers here. I will definitely be using that. And I love how the front is just perfect match with the kit. Then lastly, you have the papers and the vellums and acetate. So we'll go through each of these one by one. First is this vellum. Beautiful, and that's the side that it goes on, and I love the bows. Oh my gosh, the bows are adorable. Next is this paper. Oh, and they're double-sided. Love that, and that's, yeah, oh, big fan of that one. Love that one. So that's one paper, and there's the second paper, and the other side. Oh, that looks like a beach scene. Like if you flip it that way, it looks like a beach scene. Beautiful. So it's two. Blah. Again, so tropical. I love that. Ooh. I always love some of the geometric patterns that come in these because, I mean, floral is great, but having the contrast and the geometrics is really, really nice. Again, love it. Oh, big fan. And then lastly is the acetate. I feel like this wasn't supposed to be on there, but oh, beautiful. It looks like they're watercolored on, and I love that. Absolutely gorgeous. So here is just a little overview of everything that you're getting in the box. So there's all the papers, and you just saw the traveler's notebook, the sticker kit, and the tabs. Beautiful. And the insert that you get with it as well, along with the bow clip and the wide paper clip and the adhesive pocket, and under there is the acetate. And once again, the star of the show, this beautiful Bumble B16. I am absolutely in love with the overall kit. I think Kane has done a fantastic job, and I won't be setting this up right away just because I am moving in the next week and a half. So I might not set this up for another month or so, but I am in love with it, and I cannot wait to put this TN to use. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you are interested in purchasing any future kits from PrintPression, please visit the link in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching, and have yourselves a beautiful day.